The global automotive industry is shifting gears and not just into electric mode. The transition from traditional gas guzzlers to electric vehicles is speeding up faster than you can say zero emissions. And guess who's leading this electrifying revolution? That's right, China. With major investments in EV infrastructure, from charging stations to battery tech, China is no longer just playing catch-up, it's setting the pace. Chinese electric vehicle brands are no longer just emerging players, they are major forces. Companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng have become household names known for their innovation and quality. They are rapidly capturing market share, both domestically and internationally. Chinese EVs are now a common sight on roads around the world, from Europe to North America. So with all these groundbreaking innovations hitting the roads, the question is, are you ready to see how China is not just driving, but electrifying the future of transportation? Watch and learn how the Chinese government is enabling these new companies to compete at the highest level. Buckle up, because this is going to be one high-voltage ride. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. This name encapsulates the company's ambitious vision and relentless drive to innovate, and this company is certainly living up to its name. Founded in 1995, BYD has grown exponentially, becoming a global leader in the electric vehicle industry. BYD is a true powerhouse in the EV industry. Their vehicles are not only popular in China but are also gaining traction worldwide. It's not just an automaker, it's also the world's largest manufacturer of electric vehicle batteries. This dual focus allows BYD to maintain a stronghold in both the automotive and energy sectors. BYD's success stems from its vertical integration strategy. By controlling every aspect of production, from raw materials to finished products, they ensure high quality and efficiency. It controls the entire EV ecosystem, from battery production to vehicle assembly. This comprehensive approach allows them to innovate and adapt quickly to market demands. This gives them a significant competitive advantage. They can control costs, streamline operations, and respond swiftly to changes in the market. They can also innovate rapidly. Their research and development teams are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric vehicle technology. BYD has a wide range of EVs. From compact cars to luxury sedans, they cater to diverse consumer needs and preferences. They offer affordable electric cars. These vehicles make sustainable transportation accessible to a broader audience, promoting a greener future. They also produce electric buses and trucks. These larger vehicles are essential for reducing emissions in public transportation and logistics. Their commitment to sustainable transportation is clear. BYD invests heavily in charging infrastructure to support their growing fleet of electric vehicles. They are a driving force in the global shift towards electrification. BYD's innovations and strategic initiatives are paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. NIO is a young company, having been founded in 2014, but it has already made a big impact in the electric vehicle market, especially in China, where it is headquartered. It focuses on the premium EV segment, aiming to provide a luxurious experience for its customers. NIO offers luxurious and technologically advanced vehicles, equipped with state-of-the-art features and cutting-edge technology. They are designed to compete with the best from Germany and the United States, including brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Tesla. NIO differentiates itself through innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the EV space. Their battery-as-a-service model is a prime example of this innovation. This allows customers to subscribe to battery packs separately, providing a unique and flexible ownership experience. This reduces the upfront cost of the vehicle, making it more accessible to a wider range of customers. It also provides flexibility and convenience, as customers can easily swap out their battery packs at NIO's battery swap stations. NIO is also building a strong brand reputation, known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They are known for their excellent customer service and their focus on building a community around their products, fostering a sense of belonging among NIO owners. They are not just selling cars, they are selling a vision of the future. They are creating a lifestyle, one that is centered around sustainability, innovation, and a premium driving experience. XPeng is another rising star in China's EV scene. They are known for their focus on technology and innovation. XPeng's vehicles come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. These systems are designed to enhance safety and convenience. XPeng is committed to developing autonomous driving technology. They believe that this is the future of mobility. Their vehicles are equipped with a suite of sensors and cameras. These allow the vehicles to navigate complex environments. XPeng is attracting a younger, tech-savvy customer base. These customers are drawn to the brand's innovative features and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Chinese EV makers are not just adopting existing technologies, they are developing their own. BYD's Blade battery is a prime example. This revolutionary battery technology offers significant advantages. It's safer, more efficient, and more durable than traditional lithium-ion batteries. NIO's battery-as-a-service model is another example of Chinese innovation. This model addresses a major pain point for EV adoption: range anxiety. With battery swapping, drivers can quickly replenish their vehicle's range. They don't need to wait hours for a charge. These innovations are not just changing the game in China, they are influencing the global EV industry. Chinese EV makers are challenging the established order. They are competing head-to-head with Western automakers, and they are not afraid to compete on price. Chinese EVs often offer more features and longer driving ranges at a lower cost. This aggressive pricing strategy is putting pressure on Western automakers. They are being forced to adapt. They need to innovate more quickly. They also need to find ways to reduce costs. The competition is fierce, and it's only going to get tougher. The Chinese government is playing a key role in the rise of its EV industry. They have implemented policies to support the development and adoption of EVs. These include subsidies, tax breaks, and investments in charging infrastructure. These policies have created a favorable environment for EV companies to thrive. As a result, China is now the world's largest EV market. The sheer scale of the Chinese market gives domestic automakers a significant advantage. They can achieve economies of scale. This allows them to drive down costs and accelerate innovation. Chinese EV makers have ambitious global ambitions. They are expanding into new markets around the world. They are exporting their vehicles worldwide. They are also setting up manufacturing facilities in key regions. European countries are a major target. So are Southeast Asia and Latin America. Chinese EV makers are attracting customers with their competitive pricing, innovative features, and long driving ranges. The world is becoming their playground. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a major transformation. Electric vehicles are the future, and Chinese companies are well positioned to lead this revolution. They have the technology, the manufacturing prowess, and the government support to dominate the global EV market. This is not to say that Western automakers are out of the game. They still have significant strengths, but they need to adapt quickly. They need to embrace innovation. They need to challenge their existing assumptions. The race is on, and the stakes are high. The road ahead for the EV industry is not without its challenges. Supply chain disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and technological hurdles could all pose significant obstacles. Chinese EV makers need to navigate these challenges strategically and with foresight. However, these challenges also present unique opportunities. Chinese companies are known for their agility and their ability to adapt to changing circumstances. They can leverage their strengths to overcome these hurdles and emerge as even stronger players in the global EV market. The rise of Chinese EV makers is ushering in a new era of mobility. This is an era defined by collaboration, competition, and relentless innovation. The lines between automakers, technology companies, and energy providers are blurring. This convergence will lead to exciting new developments in the years to come. We can expect to see even more advanced battery technologies, smarter driver assistance systems, and innovative business models. The future of mobility is bright, and it's electric.